Is your portfolio looking a little bumpy? Have you been checking your Nutmeg account more often than you should, seeing the ups and downs and thinking, maybe I should just change my risk level? If that's you, you're not alone. It's a common temptation, especially during volatile market periods. But before you click that button, let's talk about why it might be the wrong move. Nutmeg's whole strategy is built on a long-term approach. They get you to choose a risk level at the start that's right for your goals and how long you're investing for. A lower risk portfolio is designed to be more stable, with more bonds, while a higher risk one has a greater allocation to stocks, giving it more growth potential over time, but also more short-term swings. So when markets are down, a high-risk portfolio is going to feel it the most. Your natural instinct is to de-risk, to move to a safer level. But that's exactly what selling low looks like. You're locking in those losses and missing out on the recovery when the market inevitably bounces back. On the flip side, what about when markets are doing great? You might be tempted to move to a higher risk level to chase those big gains. But that's buying high. You're increasing your risk just when the market might be due for a correction, and you're potentially setting yourself up for a nasty surprise. The Nutmeg investment team is already making strategic adjustments behind the scenes to keep your portfolio on track, especially with the fully managed options. They're the experts, and they're doing the hard work of rebalancing your portfolio to keep it aligned with the risk level you initially chose. Ultimately, the best strategy is usually the one you've already committed to. Your risk level was chosen for a reason, your long-term goals. Unless your life circumstances have fundamentally changed, like you're suddenly much closer to needing the money, you should let the experts do their job. Panic selling or chasing returns is what separates the long-term winners from the short-term reactors. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.